I don't know how good this camera is to vlog with, but this is it. If you can see me right now, cool. This is the background we're working with. I literally got this camera the other day and yeah, take a few little pictures and stuff. Pretty fun.
Salt, please.
Any drinks, real quick?
Winter water, mate. Strictly clean.
He was trying to get a beer.
Maybe.
Still waiting on the food. Very hungry. Oi! Hey! Oh! Woo! Took a walk.
Yeah.
That's what I thought. Basically, this is that there is a gunpowder target. So we've got gunpowder in it, and we've got a bottle of, what is it, hairspray?
No, it's fucking air freshener.
Air freshener. We have air freshener and gunpowder.
Highly perfumed shit, apparently. Says it right there. Bosh.
That's our new target.
Oh, no, thank Target.
Explosions!
Have that.
This should be a lot better. Got the mic and got the tripod, so.
Safety's on. I want to get closer. I don't know how close to get before it's like, I wouldn't get any closer or you're going to hurt yourself.
First try. First try, let's go.
Oh,
Sleep around here.
alright, sorry. Calm down, you bitch.
Whoops. Shit. Fuck. Oh shit. Oh my god. Oh my god.